Let's unbox Ethan. Are you curious to see what they had sent me? Because I am. It's a robot! Ooh, another box. Well, you know, I love robots. Wait a minute, I have to build this one. Oh, that's so nice. I had to assemble my robot from Ethan. Oh, that's so cute. It comes with a crown. Okay guys, let's assemble my robot. So this is the first robot I have to assemble. I'm so excited about it. So that's how it looks. Now, let's get started. And of course, I print the manual. My one has a crown.